In this video, I'm going to explain how I did my third database experiment by using the basic SQL. I need to use aggregate functions, group by, order by class, built-in functions. My first question is I need to find out the number of customers have done the bookings. For this, I use the query select the count from the car booking, total count. So I'll get the number of customers have done the bookings. In my second question, I need to find the average price of the luxury cars. For this, I use the query. I find the average of base price per day from the price details table where the car type is equal to luxury, so that I'll get the average price of the luxury cars. My third question was I need to find out the maximum date of the bookings of the car. For this, I used the query select maximum booking date from the car booking table. My fourth query was find out the number of bookings for each car, arrange them in the ascending order. I need to arrange them in the ascending order, so I used the query select count customer ID from car booking table, group by car ID or order by car ID ascending order. So this it is grouped by car ID and it is arranged in the ascending order according to the car ID. My fifth question is I need to find out the car which is booked for the maximum number of days. For this, I used the subquery I used the select car ID from the car booking, group by car ID and having the count return date minus booking date, which is equal to the other query select maximum count return date minus booking date from the car booking group by car ID, so that I'll get the which is the car booked for the maximum number of days. My sixth question is I need to replace the customer name starting with R or S. For this, I use the query select the login name from the customer details table where I'll have find the login name, where the login name is like R per R, smaller or capital R. My second question is which booking is done mostly. For finding the mostly booked data, I need to give the condition return date is equals to sysdate, so I can find the car which is booked more recently. The eighth question is I need to replace the registration number which has X with T. So I updated the car details and set the register number is equals to replace small t with capital U, where the registration number is like percentage U. And I need to display the dollar symbol in front of the price. For this, I use the query lpad, where I need to give the column name, number of elements. I need to go front for the showing the dollar symbol from the price details. Here you can see the output as $1500, where dollar symbol is appeared in front of the price. And for the finding the car booked in the leap year, I use the query select car ID, extract the year from the return date from car booking, where the modulus of extract of return date with 4 is equal to 0, and with 100 is not equal to 0, and same with 400 is not equal to 0. So I'll get a car ID of the car where it is booked in the leap year. I need to find the top 3 bookings of the car. For this, I used the query. I used row num function. For this, I used the query select row num as a rank and car ID from select car ID from the car booking order by booking number in descending order, where row num should be less than or equal to 3. By using this query, I'll get the top row num is less than or equal to 3, so it will take top 3 car IDs and the rank. And 12th question, I need to calculate the age of the customer using date of birth and find the who is the oldest. For this, I just use the login name and sys date and minus date of the birth as the years from the customer details, so that I can get the year of the number of years the customer is alive. My 13th question is I need to arrange the customer name in descending order and display the first name together with the second name as name. For this, I use concat first name to second name as a name from the customer details. My 14th question was find the average booking of each car and which are all booked more than average. And for this, I used to query select average booking number from the car booking, where I'll get the average booking of each car, which are all booked more than the average. 15th question was find the car which is offered with minimum price. For this, I used the aggregate function select minimum of the base price per day from the price details. Thank you.